Today I'll teach you the pronoun it and its usage. First, it is used to talk about things and animals. Example, I have a cat. It is very beautiful. Second, it is used for young children whose sex cannot be determined. Example, a child cries when it gets hungry. Third, it is sometimes used to lay stress or emphasis. Example, it was Mother Teresa who got the Nobel Peace Prize. Fourth, it is used to talk about time, distance, weather, and temperature. Example, it is raining today. It was hot yesterday. It was noisy in the room. Fifth, it is used to refer to a previous statement. Example, he cheated us. He admitted it. Sixth, sometimes it is used as a temporary subject when the real subject is to infinitive. Example, it is nice to talk to you. Seventh, it may be used as a preparatory object. Example, I feel it unnecessary to go there. 8. It may also be used in other noun clauses. Example, it is surprising that she hated him. Ninth, it is used as a preparatory subject with gerund. Example, it is very nice flying kites in the sky. Here, flying is the gerund. 10th, it is used to write sentences with as if and as though. Example, it seems as if she were going to marry him. Another example, it appears as though she were talking to me. 11th, it is used with sentences which begin with it is time plus subject plus past. Example, it is high time he realized his mistake. 12th, it is used in the structure for plus object plus infinitive. Example, it is important for you to talk to his brother. 13th, it is used in the structure it plus be plus adjective plus of plus noun pronoun plus to infinitive. Example, it is very kind of you to help me. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.